Hello everyone, so today I'm going to make a tile design for the beginners. So we need basic tools like knife, clay, cardboard and toothpick, brush. So here I have taken a small cardboard. I'm applying clay over that cardboard. Yes, so we'll make it smooth with water. Then now I will make a small pot with the help of pinching technique. You can make any pot that you like. Pinching technique, it's a clay technique that if you want video on that, please let me know in comments. I will definitely make video on like next coming days. So let's see how to complete that. So first I have, you can see I have added pot now. After that I will give it finishing with my like small brush, so that this surface looks more smoother. So now I am making small balls for the flower petals. Yes, definitely I will add stem as well, so we'll use coil here, coil technique. Now I'm adding flowers. So I hope this is all about tiles design. After that we'll give it finishing with brush and other designs also with pencil and other toothpick and other clay tools. Now it's completed, you can see. So I think I hope you like this. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.